It's time for fun in slow motion. Get ready for Foodexplosion!
What up, fruit flattening fans? Welcome to Foodexplosion! And here's the laugh track!
It's Tammy the tomato! Is she a fruit, a veggie? No one knows!
What? I'm a fruit. Tomatoes are fruits. No, you're not. You're a vegetable, like a pumpkin. Pumpkins are fruits too, you moron.
Come on down, Tammy!
Hi there. Just to be clear, I'm a fruit.
Yeah, and elephants are microwaves.
It's true.
Tammy, the game isn't lie or die. It's called Foodexplosion!
Hey!
Okay, Tammy, are you ready to play the only game where you win even if you lose?
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's get to the question. And here it is, Tammy.
Tomato.
Or pose.
Tomato.
10 seconds!
What?
The clock, it's ticking!
Am I on a prank show or something?
Time is running out!
Okay. The correct way to say it is...
Tomato. It's not hard.
You say
Tomato.
I say...
Sorry, time's up. You're dead.
wrong!
Shocker.
But that's okay, because even though you're terrible at this game, you still win! What does she get, Super Duper Pooper Scooper Announcer Duder?
It's a brand new blender!
What? I've kind of got a phobia of blenders.
What's wrong? Are you afraid of cutting-edge technology?
Seriously, can you just give me a new prize?
Uh-oh, looks like somebody's trying to blend the rules.
This is ridiculous. What kind of show is this?
Explosion!
What? Ooh. Hey, why'd you do that? I bruise easily.
You're right! You do juice easily!
No, I said bruise. Wait, what?
Blender.
Wow! Looks like the juice is loose! Ouch! And let's see that again! And again! And again! Super slow-mo! Poor Tammy. Oh well, join us next time on the next episode of Foodexplosion!
What? Ooh. Hey, why'd you do that? I bruise easily.
You're right! You do juice easily!
No, I said bruise. Wait, what?
Today's episode was brought to you by the Daneco family of products.
Bad!